Hello, Gill from Happy here. So what I'm wanting to be able to do is put my filtered data from a pivot table onto different sheets in Excel. So the first step is to create a basic pivot table. Now this is my staff database, and what I want to be able to do is see all the different staff salaries and bonuses by department, each on a different sheet. So I'm going to click into my data anywhere at all, then go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. It's automatically selected my data set, and I would like my pivot table on a new sheet, so all I have to do here is click OK. You can see my fields from my original data in the field list here, and I'm going to click and drag last names into the row labels. And then in the value section, I'm adding in the basic salary and the bonus fields. And at this point, I'm going to put department into the filter section. Now, right now, my pivot table is showing all the staff in the data set, and I can filter for each department, or I could even insert a slicer to filter quickly. But I actually want to see the data for each department on a different sheet. So on the Pivot Table Analyze tab, click on the Pivot Table drop-down, click on the drop-down next to Options, and then finally click Show Report Filter Pages. If you've got more than one field in the report filter area of your pivot table, make sure at this point you choose the right one. In this case, I'm going to click on Department and then click OK, and that's it. A new sheet has been created for every single department. It's been named and it's got the correct data on it. For more quick tips and details of our training courses, just visit our YouTube channel or go to our website happy.co.uk.